Hey, how you doing? Welcome back. My name is Jasper, owner of AJ's Pepper Patch, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I transplant my plants. Usually, I transplant in pots. I transplant in actual garden, the soil itself. It's different many ways that you can do it. Just like in my previous video with the seeds. What I do is the way I've been doing it, by trial and error and experiment. I'm still experimenting and learning what I'm doing. So this is another thing that I kind of learned. I do it all kind of different ways, but this is one way that I transplant my plants. So check out the video. Hit that like and subscribe button. But this one right here is an orange tie video, orange tie seedling. As you can see, it's very big, and the stem on this one, the branch, I mean, it's huge. So I'm pretty sure it's a big, humongous root ball. So I'm gonna actually transplant this over into this. As you can see, I've already dug a nice deep size hole. But I'm gonna actually transplant this plant. I'm gonna show you guys how I transplant it. So what I usually do is I either get a spray bottle like this, or either I'll get a little container over there like that and put a little green and gray, put a little water in it. But this one's already been soaking wet from me planting it the other day. So I'm gonna just, hose it down, get it nice and moist, like that. All right, excuse me, let me set the camera down. And then I'm gonna take this nice plant, and since I got two, I'm gonna try to leave this one. But if I can't, I had to break it up and actually transplant this one into a smaller cup. But this one is big and it's ready to go into a big. Oh my God, look at this massive root ball. Massive root ball. That is beautiful. And what I usually do is I try to wiggle the root ball around and open it up. So when I plant it in, the root ball doesn't consistently go in a circle. It kind of to break out and go in other directions to kind of fill the pot with its root base. And since we have a little one right here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to find the roots on that, which I got most of, and we're gonna just pull this little buddy. Just gonna get some of his roots and we're gonna pull him out. See, here's the second one. We're gonna just sit him back in the cup right here. And this is the other one. As you can see, it's a massive, humongous, beautiful root on this pepper plant. So now I'm gonna take this pepper plant. Hopefully you guys can see it because it's kind of hard to do what I'm doing. And I'm gonna tuck it on down in here like that. I need to put a little deeper, so give me a second. It needs to go a little bit deeper in there because of the root mass. So all I do is I dig it out real good. It shows a nice deep hole to put this plant in. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how deep. See, I got it real deep, very deep in there. And since it's curved, it will straighten back out. I'll just have to put a stick to curve it, but I'm just gonna let it stay. So then you cover it with dirt as good as you can. And see, this dirt is still moist a little bit, so I don't really have to worry about it. And then you just make sure you press it down, put some pressure on it, so the roots and stuff and the plant will not lay over. So this is how you transplant. And then you can give it a little water, not too much, but put most of the water in the bottom, down here at the bottom. I have a little tray down here, as you can see. I got the thing holding cranmer, but I put mine in there, and you just put it with a little water, and then every day you keep an eye on it, and she should be ready to go in a couple weeks. Should have some peppers coming on it. But yeah, that's how I transplant my plants. This is a nice orange tie. It's in a nice, beautiful big pot now. So we're gonna see what it does in a couple weeks, and I'll keep updating you guys on this beautiful pepper. But yeah, this is Jasper here at AJ's Pepper Patch. If you like my videos and they're kind of helpful, throw me some comments, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll be bringing you guys some more videos. So you guys have a good day.